guys, day 2 of scrambling my cube. I'm twisting the corners because this is gonna be a hard scramble. Because
Maraming salamat po,
my
mga batang Quiapo.
in Sunday in church, I'm gonna say, Kuya, solve this in my Kuya. I'm gonna not tell my Kuya's name.
Dumating na sa
When
Estados
it
Unidos si Pangulong
hit,
Ferdinand Marcos Jr.
I
para
don't
sa
know,
kanyang 14 visit.
subscribers,
Sinalubong naman
I
ang
don't know.
protesta ng ilang progresibong grupo ang
Like
pagsisita ng
1,000
Pangulo
or I
sa
don't know.
Amerika. Live mula sa New York, nagpapatuloy si Martin Delgado.
Just give me
Dumating si Pangulong Marcos.
0 likes. That's okay. That's so noisy. The cube is noisy. I don't know. Look at this. It's like a black puff. Like a L. Then a little L. Like this, this, and this. Upside down. Yup, like that. Anyways. We are almost done. Crumbling. And the video is almost done. So I'm done. I tap my table. My table is brand new. This has my name in it. I'm gonna not tell it. And I'm gonna not tell it to you guys. Bruce, because when I reveal it, I don't know. So bye. Blah!